Welcome back. In this video we are going to be doing homemade medicine for cough. We have our lemon, we have our honey, we have our glass, we have our spoon, and we have our knife. So we'll be cutting the lemon into parts. So this is one part. I'll be squeezing it in here like this. I need the lemon juice. So this is it, and after that I'll be adding half teaspoon of honey, just like this. So you stir and mix properly. So you can take this 2 times daily for 3 days. You will see that the cough has disappeared. If you want to see how I use ginger, visit my channel. Bye.